Well, guys, today we're using my pocket knife because in my birthday, forgot one too, but my missus was messed up. So I had to fix it back at home. Dad, please show me good stuff on it. Dad, please show me good stuff on it.
Huh?
Good stuff for scissor making my video.
I told him, I was like, your kids can stay and play with my kids.
No, my wetzel stuff, my pocket knife. Show me all stuff of my pocket knife.
You want me to get all this stuff out?
No, by one.
One by one?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. But you know my dad got cut. That's so good, but this thing, we had to get a new one. Right, Dad?
Yeah, we're gonna get a new one.
Yeah. You know, Dad got cut. I tell you that. Okay, next one. Okay, that tool called.
Bottle opener and screwdriver.
Yep, a screwdriver too. But I know why people would get not screwdriver like that.
You like opener root beers?
Yeah, but not. Next one.
Can opener and screwdriver.
Yep, the screwdriver again. Next one. That is is that called again?
So.
Oh, but one got tangled me a big tape. Accident. I cut it on my thumb. My dad.
Yeah, you gotta be careful.
Yeah, be careful. Why will happen to you? Tell me.
File.
Yeah, that knife. Wait, isn't that?
File. It's for metal.
Yeah, metal. But people tell me that kind of look like a knife.
Yeah, kind of is.
Yeah.
That's a knife.
Yeah. Okay, next one. That tiny knife.
Little knife.
Okay. You know, my dad got glasses, right, Dad? And Bill. That thing called again.
Corkscrew.
But why people tell me that look like a bouncing thingy?
Yeah, kind of like a spring.
Yeah. And wires. And pipe cleaners. Next one is.
I think it's like a chisel.
Yeah. Is that called again?
It's a little screwdriver.
Yep. Okay, next one.
A hook.
Yeah, but Dad told us.
Yeah, I think it's. I heard that it's for like when your bootlaces are frozen.
Yeah.
To undo them. That's what I heard. I don't know though. That's what I heard.
Thank you, white Dad.
Oh.
Tell me comments, my dad right or wrong. Him right, thumb up, or him wrong, thumbs down. That called
All
Oh yeah.
for poking holes in your sew stuff.
Yeah. Yeah, making plushies, or like my big Hulk plushies. That too big. Too big. That my Jesus.
That's it.
Yep.
That's everything.
Okay, Dad, show us
That's not right.
Yeah. I'll help you. You care for it. Yeah, I'll help you, okay?
There you go.
I had to show people we care of this. Look like this. Okay, there's a gray part. The logo. Like that?
Yep.
And the gray part, the gray part. But you don't know this thing is, hang on. Like plus your super tiny one.
Or your keys.
Yeah, like that key.
Yep. You put your keys on there.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yep.
But you don't know my mom look like as mom. I got Rick and Morty shirt. Are you like Rick and Morty up on Imperial? But you already saw my face, Imperial? Yeah.
Size.
Did you get? Yeah.
No, Brianna color it.
Oh, colored it.
Yesterday
Look
I
like you
was
got punched.
tripping.
Look like you got punched in the eye.
Yesterday it looked like you was having an allergic reaction to something. I was like,
Sorry, you have Benadryl or something.
bye.
Wait, wait,
There's
you
a
dog
boy.
boy, and I gotta show you Brianna.
Hey, Tristan, Brianna's in the tub. Don't go film her.
Yeah, don't go film her naked sister.
I think I'll do that next
Okay,
video.
say bye.
Wait, you wanna give 1,000 subscribers? Yeah. 1,000 subscribers.
1,000 subscribers. Click that like button.
Yeah.
Bye.
No, I have to tell him more.
Okay.
But
Are you done?
you know that sale you like thing.
Your opinion means very little to me.
Yeah.
Alright, enough filming.
We get and goodbye.